So guys, the first thing you want to do is to install the Picsart app if you don't have it. So just go to your Play Store, no, your App Store and type in Picsart, Picsart. Yeah, you will see there. So that's it. I already have the app, and oops, I have to update it. Oh my god. All right guys, so let's just go ahead and update. Okay, I think this updating thingy was such a bad idea. Oh my god, this is taking like forever. Come on, network, stop embarrassing me. Oh yeah, I think they heard me. Oop. Okay, I think I might just cut out this part because I'm running out of patience. So let's just fast forward this. Okay guys, so I fast forwarded. Okay, just click on open. Let's go to the app and see what I got. Picsart, make awesome. Okay, so here you go, Picsart. So you click on this purple plus sign to select what photo you want to use or crop out. Yeah, so you go to photos. Oh god, my gallery looks like a mess. Okay. Okay, I think I like this collection. Which one do I go for? Mini, Manny, Mom. Which one do I go for? Okay, this picture is looking at me. It's staring at me. Okay, I pick you. That one. Yep. Oh God, okay. Yep. So you just click on this free crop. Yep. And now this updated one gives you the option of whatever part of the picture you want to crop out. So I'll just click on person, and yep. So it's going to crop out my whole person. But if you want to crop out just the face, you can click on just face. Oh my god, this looks ugly. No, I don't want to do this. I'm going to crop out like the whole person out of the background. So yep, you click on next. Yes, so this is what you have. Yep, this is what you have. So you just go ahead to save it, click on next up there and click on save and download. All right, so if you're using the not yet upgraded version, this is how it's quite different. So you just click on the photo, then you click on cutout. Yes, then click on this white guy. Yep, and it just crops out the photo from the background. So you don't have the option of face, hair, whatever that the upgraded version has, updated version or upgraded. Okay, so you can see. Yep, so this is it. You go ahead, click on next, save the photos, and click on save. So it is that simple, like so simple. Save. All right, so you just go back to your photos to see what the cropped picture looks like. So this is it. Look at it in white, black, white, black. All right guys, so that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly do so. Catching up with RJ. Thank you so much for always coming back to my page. If you want to see more of this video, kindly let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Bye.